you want to say good morning?
Morning.
Morning.
What's your day
Okay, let's go in now. Let's go in. It is Sunday. Let's come in. Oh, gosh! Bag. Is that your bag? Hey, hey, this is your. Here you go. This is your. Sit here. Did Daddy say that?
No, you said we can go to zoo on Sunday.
Today is Sunday.
I mean Monday.
Did I say that? You have to ask Daddy. Punta na naman kami ng Sunday market, guys. Open? So this time, we are trying to go somewhere else. So punta kami doon sa isang Sunday market na open from 6 till 12. The same naman sila, guys. Lahat ng mga market na ganyan. Hanggang 12 lang sila. Thank you, Mama. Pero pupunta kami doon sa Stafford ata yung lugar na yun. So hindi pa namin napuntahan. Going to check it out. See kung anong meron sila doon. Pero dahil namin kayo, guys. Ito yung outfit ni Mami for today. So naka-shorts, naka-high waist, naka-crop top. And then itong ating lavender na blazer. And naligo ako kagabi, alam niyo ba? Just letting you know, naligo ako kagabi. So kaninang umaga, medyo basa pa yung buhok ko nung pinadedik sa baby sleep nakatulog. So ayan, hindi ko na sinupply kayo ng umaga. So ginanon ko lang. And then the front one ay okay yung kanyang pagka-dry dito. So hindi siya buskag. So yung sa likuran ay ready as a bun. And our bag for today. See. Okay, honey girl.
A few moments later.
We're here. Ayan, Stafford pantry. Sabi kay Daddy Mike, bakit yung mga nila nasa
They don't even look wild. They don't even look wild. They don't even look wild.
Yeah, that's just the name lang. What do you think?
Because they're a little wild.
What do you think of my dress?
A little bit bad.
Huh?
A little bit bad.
A little bit bad. Thank you, honey. Yeah, I don't think Daddy Mike really likes it.
Mom, which should I get?
But
Mom, which should I get? The flower or this flower?
super nice to you guys.
Or
Super ganda ng
should I
bread.
get this flowers or the other ones I was saying?
This one I like. See?
No, I mean the one I was trading, $10.
Yeah. Oh, we'll have a look, okay?
I'll show you.
Ito yung nabit-bit namin, guys. Plant.
Mama,
Yes.
look.
I know. You're very strong. You can carry it. Binili namin to. Lalagay ko to siya sa loob ng bahay. So apparently, I'll water this one once a week lang pala. Kasi siguro namatay yung akin, guys. Kasi more than once a week. I got this one for $21. Okay, Carrie? You wanna carry in the car? Or you wait for Daddy here? Pumunta sila di maganda. Bumili ng drinks. So, might go somewhere else kasi may time pa naman kami. Very strong, Ling Ling. Careful, though. Oh, come on. Do you wanna put in the car? Huh? Thank you, Daddy.
Welcome. Welcome.
Such a good girl you are. Tingnan nyo, nakaupo na sa kanyang seat. Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Brisbane Botanical Garden. Kita nyo pa talaga ang inodoro dyan. Nandito kami sa toilet ni Ate Paris. Pack, ganyan yung ating pa-outfit for today. Nag-toilet kami, so kaka-order ko lang ng aming lunch. And then, yes, we're gonna have a lunch and then we're gonna roam around the Botanical Garden and see kung anong meron sila. Hey, this way lang. Hey, sobrang daming tao dito, guys. Perfect day for it. Lady is there, see? With her scooter. 7-1. Hinihintay lang namin yung in-order namin, guys, na calamari. Selini! Look! Here's our calamari rings. We also ordered scone with jam and cream. Yum, yum. This is Celine, oh? Huh?
Come eat and I'll play.
Come, it's very yum. Look, very crispy. Here is the scone. So after dito ay maglalakad-lakad na tayo sa labas. It's a big, massive place. Kagubatan. Oh, it's my favorite. Jam. And cream. I'm a little bit. Look. How about you eat your calamari?
Sushi. I'm eating calamari and sushi.
Talaga naman itong ating baby Celine. Sa kanyang ate yung scooter, tapos yung pram sa kanya kasi matutulog na. Siya yung gumagamit ngayon. So, dito kami kumain. So, ito kami ngayon. Brisbane Botanic Gardens in 52 hectares. They're relaxing here. Huh? Which way? That way. Okay, that way daw. Come on, follow. Naku, anak, Diyos ko, Lord. Ang ganda ng jacaranda, oh. Ang purple. Hold on. Pasta, pasta. Nak, maugmaan pagitaan ni Nak. Good girl. Oh my God. Ano itong dito? Wala pa naman kaming mapa. Sobrang laki nito guys. Yung mga tao dito may mga dalang mapa ba. From the ano, dyan o yung information center. Kami tuyo kami ani. What's in here? What is that?
Planetarium.
Ah, wait. What is it going there, Daddy? Japanese?
And exotic rainforest and Japanese garden.
Okay.
I just want to go to the hill.
Yeah. Yung papunta doon guys, may bamboo, whatever papunta doon. Pababa kasi.
Look what I just found. It's a little tiny egg.
Do you reckon it's egg?
Yes.
Tingnan ang ating baby Celine, oh. Pinapahirapan kami guys. Ayaw niyang magpahawak. Have a look, Daddy. Carpentaria acuminata. Northern Territory. Tree.
Planetarium? You saw it.
Sinasabihan niyang tatay niyang gawin. Lala mo, lakas kay karog kasagbutan lang. Show me.
It's not actually an egg. It's not egg, but
Ang ating Ate Paris naman ay yung mga tinitingnan ay yung mga ganyan. Oh, tingnan nyo, oh. Nak, we'll see. Maybe the bats are here lang. From last time. Wow, this place is massive.
it's a fly.
Butterfly. I love your
Careful.
I love your determination, Celine.
Very funny.
First up, Japanese garden. We successfully put Celine there. Pero puno na ang luha. We're going to see the Japanese garden first, honey. Tingnan nyo, nasa hulihan ng ating advice para hindi nyo makita. Can you read it lang?
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Yes, Lena?
Wow. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look.
That's what they say konnichiwa.
Ate. Look at the water. Wow. Look at the water, Lini. What's this one? 1996. The tree form lantern has been placed here in the memory of Hon Ohara, third headmaster of Ohara School of Ikebana, Japan. Wow. Oh my God, just here. Oh. Sobrang gandang tingnan. Look, it's so nice here. Mara magbukid nun ay. Kakawayanan. I thought it's real, like freaking crocodile bug.
Yes.
Oh, it's not. It can't be.
No, it is. It's sad.
Look at that.
Is that real?
Yes. We'll take a photo here, Daddy.
Lena, look.
Beanie, look at the crocodile. Look.
Is that for real life? Is it real life?
Whoa, my
Lena, it's a
goodness.
crocodile.
Oh, it's running away.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, lizard. Bye-bye, lizard. Okay, we'll keep moving.
Bye-bye, lizard.
Oh, push tayo. So nice here, guys. Oh, picture kami dyan.
You're still there. And bye-bye, crocodile.
Sobrang laki. Look. Oh my goodness. That's a big lizard. Ay, not too close, my love. Let's move this side. Let's move this side. Hello. Hey, Lily.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hey, bye-bye, lizard. Ayan. Daddy Mike's putting the thing somewhere. Kasi, matatagalan kami, guys. Wow, that's massive. Okay, the bat will be here, honey. Remember? The bat.
We'll be here.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing.
Look for something lean for yourself. Don't just grab it from Ate. Okay? Aw, kakaroon. So, we were there before. Diyan, may bamboo. Why so spiky? You and the other monkeys won't want to climb me because I'm too spiky. My spikes protect me from animals that might want to eat my bark, leaves, and flowers. But I'm also a big softie of the jungle called the floss silk tree. I produce beautiful flowers and pods full of soft, silky fiber. Aww.
Yeah, Mama.
Yeah, Mama. Okay.
No. So if they go in there, they'll die.
Yeah. Wow. See? Very spiky nga naman talaga.
It takes the whole tree.
I know. Okay, you can sit there lang. You can sit there. Just make sure you hold. Oh my god, there's lizards everywhere. You hold on, sweetie.
Baby, look.
Good job. Good job. Hold on there. Ayun, naog sa noon. See, tingnan nyo. Don't go too close lang. It might bite you. Alam mo na, managkuan sa tawagan na sa tangtambal sa hubak sa atos Pilipinas ba? Ay, tambuka ka. No. Naka-remember pa Diyos ko.
Because maybe they'll run at us and we could see.
I know. This one here, remember? Look at the bat.
Where are they? How do you see that? That's how I go when I'm free.
Wow. Tingnan nyo. So last time nandito kami, di ba? Gabi na. We got so scared. Kasi nakita namin. Oh. Oh, wow. Tingnan nyo naman yung lizard na yan. Sobrang laki.
They're white.
Keep flying. And you like.
Pakistan. Pakistan.
Yes. You can play top ones too. Do you want to show your trick, guys?
You scared of the bats? Don't be
I'm
scared.
going to show you a trick. Look, watch this.
Look. You scared?
Scared.
Don't be scared. Are we still in the Japanese thingy? Daddy, Hirap naman itong puno. Okay, this way.
Are going upstairs?
Nak, unsa man buhok na?
Are going upstairs? Are you going to go upstairs?
Huh? That's where we went.
Is it?
Yeah. That's in Japanese.
It's okay now.
No more scary.
Yeah. See?
You okay?
Just trees. You wanna walk it out? Okay.